Good morning, students. Today we are going to see about the fifth chapter, working with Windows operating system. Okay. Okay. Introduction to operating system. What is mean by operating system? An operating system is a system software that enables the hardware to communicate and operate with other software. It can be used to communicate hardware to software to operate the computer system. Okay, it can be used as a communication system between hardware and software inside the computer. It also acts as an interface between the user and the hardware and controls the overall execution of the computer. Okay, we are also familiar with the topic operating system. It can be used as a brain of a computer system. CPU is also a brain of a computer system, but operating system is also very important to communicate within the computer to execute a particular program or application. This is the operating system concept. Okay, this is the definition of operating system. An operating system is a system software that enables the hardware to communicate and operate with other software. Okay, here I can list out some important functions of an operating system. Okay, we are also see in the previous chapter about this topic, memory management and what is process management, like that. Here also we can discuss about this topic, operating system functions, memory management, process management, device management, file management, security management, control overall system performance. Later on we all are discuss about this topic. Okay, today we are seeing about the various versions of Windows operating system. Okay, this is the overview of an operating system. First of all, user 1, user 2 and user n. Here we can assign more than users to one operating system, that is one computer. We can separate this as software and hardware. Okay, these are the software components and these are the hardware components. Okay, system softwares and application software, it can be used in both or can be used inside of the operating system. Okay, this is the software components. Then next one is hardware. CPU, RAM, that is random access memory, input and output devices, these all are including the hardware devices. Okay, we all are know about hardware and software. These are the overview of an operating system. Okay. Okay. Introduction to Windows operating system. Okay. Every computer needs an operating system to function. Okay. Every computer can need any one of the operating system to perform a particular operation. Okay. Microsoft Windows is one of the most popular graphical user interface. Okay, graphical user interface, that is GUI. GUI is nothing but a graphical representation of the particular picture inside of the computer. Microsoft Windows is one kind of GUI. It can be used as a graphical user editor, like some pictures or photographs can be easily edited into the Microsoft Windows operating system. Okay, this is the use of Microsoft Windows operating system. The next one is multitasking. Okay, here I can give the definition of multitasking concept. Multiple applications can execute simultaneously in Windows. Simultaneously is nothing but similarly, like that. Okay, and this is known as multitasking. Okay, it can be multiple. The Windows operating system can be used as a platform as multitasking concept. What is multitasking means? Multiple applications can be executed at the same time in the same window. In one window, we can execute the multiple windows. Okay, in one screen, in one monitor, we can execute multiple operations at the same time. This is the multitasking concept. Okay, Windows operating system uses both keyboard and mouse as input devices. Okay, inside the Windows operating system we can use as the input devices and output devices like keyboard and mouse. Keyboard is the input device and mouse also is an input device. Okay, here we can use these kind of input devices into the Windows operating system. Okay, the next one is mouse is used to interact with Windows by clicking its icons. Okay, mouse, how it can be interact with computer? By clicking one icons it will be executed. Okay, we can click one particular icon means we can open that particular file by using the mouse action. Okay, keyboard is used to enter alphabets, numerals and special characters. We are also familiar with this keyboard. uh, Today we are all using the Android mobile. It can also have a keyboard, right? Keyboard is used to enter alphabets, numerals, special characters like all the alphabetical letters and numbers, special keys having this keyboard. Some of the functions of Windows operating systems are, I can give some of the important functions: access applications on the computer, processing games, spreadsheets, calculators and so on like that. Load any new program on the computer. Okay, it can used to load any program into the computer. Manage hardware such as printers, scanners, mouse, digital cameras, etc. It can also used to hardware maintenance like printers, scanners, mouse like that. Keyboard also a hardware device. File management activities, for example, creating, modifying, saving, deleting files and folders. Later on we all are discuss about this topic. Okay, how to creating a file and how to creating and deleting, modifying and renaming the file also. Okay, change computer settings such as color scheme, screensavers of your monitor. Okay, these all are the important settings of Windows operating systems. Okay, this is the main concept of this topic, is various versions of Windows operating system. Okay, the first inventing Windows operating system version is version 1.x, that is Windows 1.x. This is the logo of Microsoft Windows and it can be invented in the year 1985. Okay, it should have this kind of specific features like introduction of GUI, that is graphical user interface, in 16-bit processor. Mouse was introduced as an input device. In this version mouse can be introduced as an input device. Okay, this is the first version of Windows, Microsoft Windows. Okay, the next one is Windows 2.x. This is the logo of Windows 2.x and it can be invented in the year 1987. Supports to minimize or maximize Windows. It can be used as a minimization and maximization of the Windows can be applied. Control panel features was introduced with various system settings and customized option. This second version is better than the first version, that is 1.x. Okay, here we can introduce the control panel features and various system settings. Okay, here we can introduce in the version of Windows 2.x. The next version is Windows 3.x. This is the logo of 3.x and it can be invented in the year 1992. Introduced the concept of multitasking. Okay, here in this version we can use the important function like multitasking. We can operate the both screen, multiple screen on the same window, on the same screen. Okay, support 256 colors, which brought a more modern colorful look to the interface. it can give various color features also. In this 3.x version, it can be introduced in the year 1992. Don't forget the year. Okay, the next version is Windows 95, and this is the version logo. Okay, and it can be invented in the year 1995. Introduced start button and taskbar, Windows Explorer and start menu. Okay, this is the first different version which is invented by which is invented with the start button and the taskbar. We can see the bottom of the monitor, means we can also see the taskbar of the particular screen. Okay, introduced start button and the taskbar, Windows Explorer and start menu. Okay, introduced a 32-bit processor and focused more on multitasking. It can be used as a multitasking concept also. Okay, the next version of Windows is Windows 98, and this is the logo of Windows, Microsoft Windows, like, and this is invented in the year 1998. Okay, integration of the web browser, that is Internet Explorer, with the operating system. Okay, in this version we can introduce the Internet Explorer version. Okay, the next one is DOS gaming began to disappear as Windows based games improved. Okay, in this version we can introduce the games also, Windows games also, and DOS operating system. Okay, plug and play features was introduced. We can hearing a particular song or any videos, like, by using this version. In this version it can be introduced plug and play features. Okay, the next Windows version is Windows NT, and this is the logo of Windows NT. Okay, and the inventing year, it cannot be found. Okay, inventing year cannot be found. It cannot have any inventing year. Okay, designed to act as servers in network. Okay, in this version we can use more focused on the internet, how to, the internet speed will be increasing. Okay, in this version Windows NT, that is network, NT means network. Okay, Windows Me. Okay, it can be introduced in the year 2000. It introduced automated system diagnostics and recovery tools. The backup tools also installed in this version, that is Windows Me. Okay, the next version is Windows 2000. It can also invented in the year, that is 2000, and the key features are served as an operating system for business desktop and laptop systems. Okay, in this version we can also the laptops also. Four versions of Windows 2000 were released, that is professional server, advanced server, and data center server. Okay, these four different versions can be released at the same version, Windows 2000. Okay, the next version is Windows XP. We can also familiar with this operating system. Nowadays we can also use this version, Windows XP, which is invented in the year 2001, and this is the logo of Windows XP. Okay, the features are introduced a 64-bit processor, improved Windows appearance with themes, and offered a stable version. Okay, this is the stable version, and the 64-bit microprocessor can be introduced in this version. Okay, the next version is Windows Vista, that is which can be invented in the year 2006, updated the look and feel of Windows. Okay, the look and feel of the Windows, it can be used as a more colorful techniques and more editing softwares in this version. Okay, the next one is Windows 7. Okay, nowadays we are also using the Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10 operating systems in computer. Okay, this is the logo of Windows 7, and which can be invented in the year 2009. Booting time was improved, introduced new user interfaces like Aeropic pinning programs, to taskbar, handwriting recognition, etc., and Internet Explorer 8. Here in this version we can improve more and more. Booting time, the opening time, the starting time will be increased, and new features can be also introduced. We can also the font size of the particular document, like that. It can be edited and it can be saved, and the new version of Internet Explorer will be launched, that is Internet Explorer 8. The next version is Windows 8. Windows 8, which can be invented in the year 2012, and the features are: Windows 8 was faster than previous versions of Windows, start button was removed, Windows 8 takes better advantage of multi-core processing, solid state drives, touch screens, and other alternate input methods, served as common platform for mobile and computer. Okay, it can be used as a more and more powerful Windows operating system, that is Windows 8, which can be invented in the year 2012. Here the start button will be removed. Okay, this is the new style of this Windows version, that is 8. It can be more and more faster than previous all the versions. Okay, it can be introduced as multi-core processing, like multi-time, that is at a time. We can also process the multiple screen at the same monitor, that is at the same time. Okay, it can be also used in this Windows operating system, that is Windows 8, which is invented in the year 2012. Okay, this is the very important operating system in all these Windows versions. Okay, the next one is Windows 10. We can introduce in the year, that is 2015. Start button was added again. Multiple desktop can be used. Central notification center for application notification and quick actions. Cortana voice activated personal assistant. Okay, like Google Assistant means it can also like Google Assistant to perform a particular task by using the user voice. Okay, and multiple desktop can be used. Start button was again added in this version, Windows 10. Okay, these are the versions of Windows operating system. Okay, thank you students for watching this video.